Welcome to our wellness video, where we will explore the vital role of sleep in our overall well-being. Sleep is not just a necessity, it is a fundamental pillar of our health. In this video, we will dive into the importance of quality sleep, discuss the impact of sleep deprivation, and learn practical strategies to ensure we get the restful nights we need for energized and productive days. So, let's embark on a journey to unlock the power of quality sleep. Understanding the importance of quality sleep. In this section, we will delve into the significance of quality sleep for our physical, mental, and emotional well-being. Quality sleep is essential for proper cognitive function, memory consolidation, immune system regulation, and overall vitality. It allows our body to rest, repair, and rejuvenate. When we consistently experience restful nights, we wake up refreshed, with improved focus, mood, and resilience. However, the lack of quality sleep can lead to a myriad of negative effects, including increased stress levels, impaired cognitive function, weakened immune system, and heightened risk of chronic health conditions. Establishing a sleep-friendly environment. In this section, we will discuss how to create a sleep-friendly environment that promotes restful nights. Our surroundings greatly influence our sleep quality. By optimizing our bedroom environment, we can create an oasis of tranquility conducive to deep and uninterrupted sleep. Ensure your bedroom is cool, dark, and quiet. Remove electronic devices that emit blue light, as it disrupts melatonin production, a hormone essential for sleep. Invest in a comfortable mattress, pillows, and breathable bedding to create a cozy and inviting sleep haven. Developing healthy sleep habits and routines. In this section, we will explore the importance of developing healthy sleep habits and routines. Consistency is key when it comes to quality sleep. Establishing a regular sleep schedule helps regulate your body's internal clock, allowing you to fall asleep faster and wake up feeling refreshed. Prioritize a wind-down routine before bed, engaging in calming activities such as reading, taking a warm bath, or practicing relaxation techniques like deep breathing or meditation. Create a soothing ritual that signals to your body and mind that it's time to unwind and prepare for restful sleep. Nurturing a mindful sleep mindset. In this final section, we will discuss nurturing a mindful sleep mindset to enhance sleep quality. Our thoughts and emotions greatly impact our ability to relax and fall asleep. By cultivating a positive and peaceful mindset, we can overcome sleep-related anxieties and improve the overall sleep experience. Practice mindfulness techniques such as journaling, gratitude exercises, or guided relaxation before bed. Focus on the present moment, letting go of worries or stressors that may keep your mind racing. Embrace self-compassion, knowing that sleep is a natural process that will occur when your body is ready. Thank you for joining us on this enlightening journey into the power of quality sleep. By understanding the importance of quality sleep, creating a sleep-friendly environment, developing healthy sleep habits and routines, and nurturing a mindful sleep mindset, we can unlock the rejuvenating benefits of restful nights and embrace energized and productive days. So, let's prioritize our sleep, allowing ourselves to recharge, restore, and awaken to a world filled with vitality and well-being. Wishing you many restful nights and vibrant days ahead. Until next time, remember to unlock the power of quality sleep and nurture yourself with the rest you deserve.